Today I want to discuss both my experience with this Schlage keypad lock as well as the installation process. I've owned this specific model for about 6 years, and you can see the UV damage a little bit has disturbed the surface, but actually it was working pretty well until recently we noticed that this lever wasn't engaging when we punched in the keypad. So after about 6 years, it stopped functioning, and Schlage was very generous with their warranty process and shipped us out a brand new one for free. I chose this model because you can enter via the keypad. There's also a keyed entry, and I specifically wanted one that would have a manual bolt opening, not one with a motorized version, because it takes a 9-volt battery, and that 9-volt battery will last about 2 years in this process, versus other models might not last nearly as long.
Your digital keypad lock will come with the exterior keypad, an interior bolt, the deadbolt itself, a spare key, a battery, as well as a switch plate. So we're actually going to leave the switch plate that was there already because there's no reason to change that out, but it is important to change out the deadbolt. The only tool we're going to need for this installation is a Phillips head screwdriver. The deadbolt is designed to be compatible with 2 different depths. Make sure that the depth is appropriate for your door, and you can adjust this by simply rotating the deadbolt. You'll notice that the deadbolt in our model has the word top written on it, so make sure it's oriented correctly in the door. As you're installing that keypad, make sure to line up the 2 cylinders and the rod through the holes in the deadbolt. Then you're going to want to thread that wire through the open space in the door cavity, and then there should be a small slit on that interior panel. After threading that wire through, the next step is to attach the mounting bolts that will adhere the back panel and the front panel together. Those are pretty straightforward. That wire connection is going to connect that keypad and the battery, and then next you're going to attach a 9-volt battery. That battery gives you pretty decent battery life, and then tuck everything away. It doesn't have to be super tight because you have a lot of extra space in the back of this cover. And then simply attach the cover with your Phillips screwdriver, make sure that the bolt is in the correct spot, and you're done. If you like what you saw today, please give us a like and subscribe. We appreciate it, guys. Thanks.